Hello, and welcome to BrushMyQuant channel. If you want to increase your knowledge of maths and wish to receive regular updates from us, then consider subscribing to the channel by clicking on the subscribe icon to the right bottom of the screen. So let's get started with today's topic of factors and multiples. So today we are going to discuss about what are multiples, what are factors. Then we'll see how we can find the numbers whose two factors are given to us, and then the relationship between divisors, factors, and multiples. We'll also have a video following this video. I'll provide a link to the same in the description of this video, where we'll talk about some of the examples of factors and multiples, and also talk about how to find a number of factors and sum of factors of a given number. So let's start with what is a multiple. So we say that A is a multiple of B when we can express A as a product of B and any other integer. So if we know that A is a multiple of B, then we can write A as K into B, where K is an integer. Let's take an example. So if 6 is a multiple of 2, because we can express 6 as a product of 2 and another integer 3, right? Where we can actually write 6 as 2 into 3. That means 6 is a multiple of both 2 and 3. Now, if it is given to you that a number is a multiple of 3, then you can take that number, let's say the number is n, as 3 into k, where k is an integer. Let's learn about factors now. So when we say that number a is a factor of number b, that means we can write b as a multiple of a. So if a is a factor of b, that means b is a multiple of a, and then we can write b as k into a, where k is an integer. Let's take an example. So 2 is a factor of 6. That means 6 is a multiple of 2, and we can write as 6 is equal to 2 into 3. That also means that 3 is also a factor of 6. Similarly, if it is given to you that a number has 3 as one of its factors, that means the number becomes a multiple of 3, and the number, let's say n, can be written as 3 into k, where k is an integer. Now let's see how we can find the numbers whose two factors are given to us. So if a number has, let's say 2 and 3 as its factors, then the number will become a multiple of LCM of these two factors. That means the number can be written as LCM of 2 and 3 multiplied by an integer k, and it will be equal to 6 into k. If you want to know theory of LCM, I've actually provided a link to the video to the same in the description of this video. Now let's see the relationship between divisors, factors, and multiples. So if, let's say, a number n is divisible by 3, that means 3 becomes a factor of n becomes a multiple of 3, and n can be written as 3 into k, where k is an integer. So with this, we conclude the theory for factors and multiples. Hope you found the video useful. Thank you.